viewers, welcome back to Java Code Academy. Today we discuss about Java collections framework. Now we moving to the concept of framework. I want to say something for you. Imagine you are building a student management system. You create an array to 50 students, store 50 students. But what happens when the 51st student joins? Is it crash? It is crash. But arrays are a fixed in size. You can't resize them. Or what if a student leaves? You have an empty hole in your array that you have to manage manual. This is why we need to the Java collections framework. It it is the smart array that handles memory resizing and data management system for you. Now, moving to the framework. What is the framework? A framework is a just set of pre-written classes and interfaces. It provides a standard architecture to store and manipulate a group of objects. If you need a list that grows, use ArrayList. If you need to unique items only, you can use hash set. If you need key value pairs, use the hash map. Problems with arrays. Fixed size once created, an array size cannot be changed. Manual logic. Deleting items require manually shifting subsequent in the memory. Now I collections framework. A set of classes and interfaces providing an architecture to store, manipulate data. It means dynamic sizing, utility method, built-in function for search, sort, reverse, and shuffle operations you perform in your project. Collection grows and shrink automatically as you need. Performance is optimized data structures like linked list and hash tables and the trees. You are seeing the arrays versus collection as a visual comparison to array. It is a fixed like some have a fixed times. It was coming to the like morning. I think 8 a.m. Evening at 5 a.m. to the it is a length holds the primitives. It only holds the primitives. Collection is a dynamic like a money. You can example take the money. List size hold objects integers. Here it is also the primitive data. Here the holds integers objects. Now moving to the hierarchy of the map, showing the hierarchy diagram on screen. This is the map of the world about to explore. At the top, we have the collection interface. It has three main children. It has three main children at the top of one. First one is list. List for order data index specifying 0, 1, 2 allowed duplicates also. List is allows duplicates and index accessible sequences ordered list. And next one is queue. Queue is processing on FIFO principle. FIFO means first in, first out. It is the principle of queue for processing items in order first in, first out. It is the works on queue. And sitting off the side, we have the map interface. This is for key value pairs like a dictionary. You know the dictionary. It is the clearly to understand. You know the our real world example is a dictionary. We have a key and Another one is the value. Oh, like if you have take one value to assign that you can refer in the dictionary like that. And boxing and unboxing. And third one is the set. Set is the unordered unique elements. These are the three major of the map framework. Memorizing this hierarchy, it is a roadmap for the next 10 videos. This is the hierarchy. Let's now moving to the list versus set versus UQ. List is nothing but a list of items. Allows duplicates also, preserve insertion order. You know the index specifying index cases. It is shopping list. Now moving to the set. Set is unique. It stores only unique values. It doesn't store the no duplicate allowed. Order is not guaranteed. And the student IDs desk of cards. And third one is the queue. Queue is the processing. Processing is first in and first out. Example, printer jobs, ticket online. Important rules in the map interface. We already said about the key and value page. Map is not a child of collection. It is its own distinct structure. Structure means store data in pair, key and value. Rule: key must be unique, but values can be duplicated. Like for example, you have a phone book. It stores on the name assigned to phone number. The most important rules in collection framework. Now I tell you everything. Collections only hold objects. You cannot write array list of int. You must write array list of integer. It is a wrong way to write in assigning the array list. In here here the integer type is not used. It is write the full form of the wrapper class. You see that here. Use the integer wrapper class for primitive int values. Here same also. Use character char primitive character values used to the character wrapper class. For double also, it is use the double wrapper class for the primitive double values. It is a wrong way to the assigning the array list. Java automatically converts the primitive into object integer. This is called autoboxing. And array versus arrays versus collection. Arrays nothing but arrays are fixed size. Collections are dynamic and flexible. The hierarchy key interfaces includes list, set, queue, and separate map. Wrapper classes, always use wrapper classes for primitive in collections. So, so no more manual array resizing. In the next video, we will dive deep into the most used collections in the world, the array list. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Please subscribe to our Java Code Academy. You can don't miss it the next videos. Join in the next video as we explore array list and the common used collections also, and practically are also implemented in the our IDEs. Thank you for watching. Please to like, share and subscribe.